Welcome back everyone, happy Tuesday. Christine here. I've been in a spring cleaning, donating, pitching kind of mood today. The sun is out after yesterday having a little bit of snow, ice, and whatever was spitting out of the sky. So I want to keep this short and sweet. I'm still knitting the sweater, still working on it. I halted the progress over the weekend instead of knitting. As I stated in the last video, I have a grandson coming and I worked on the blanket. And here's the finished blanket. Pretty cool. So I did quilt it, it was machined. It took me one evening and most part of the next day, but it's done. I'm happy with it. She's happy with it. It's done. That's off my shoulders as well now. So I want to keep this short and sweet. I'm going to give you a tip for Tuesday here. And a lot of people always ask, how much yarn do I need? And one easy way to get a rough estimate is to weigh something that you want to create, that you already have. So you could take a sweater. This is a sleeveless one. And this was knit and fingering weight. And weigh it. Put it on your kitchen scale or something that is accurate. Weigh it. And if you're going to make something similar like this, you can then weigh out your yarn, which is already weighed for you. So say if this is 6 ounces, you will need 6 ounces of yarn, rough estimate. There is another way, but it takes, finding the square inch would require you also to make a swatch and find the square inch of the swatch, but it's more accurate that way. And a lot of people don't like to do math, so I'm not going to go into it. But a rough estimate is better than nothing, but also certain fibers are denser than others, so take that into consideration. So give yourself a little bit more wiggle room, not too much, but that's a good tip. You can weigh your hats, your mittens, scarves, if you have leftover yarn, and you just want to put it together and put it to good use. That's an easy way. Weigh each one to a finished project that you already have or have done, and you're good to go. So I hope you find this useful. Please like, subscribe as always, and hit the bell to be notified for the next one. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.